the oldest city in the world, the lowest point on earth. I would love to welcome you here in the Holy Land. Welcome home. Today, we will serve you our most popular traditional meal. This meal called makluba. The translation is upside down. It's a funny name, but the name came from the way that we serve this meal. The magic about this meal, that we cook all the ingredients together in this pan. It's contained chicken, rice, vegetables, cauliflower, eggplant, aubergine, carrot, potatoes, all cooked together with our special spices. And there is something special in our ingredients here in Jericho. 90% of our ingredients are grown here in Jericho. The special thing about it, that it's taking its water directly from Elijah's spring. You know the spring? We drink it all. And I want you to think about something when you have your lunch here in Jericho. You are having your lunch in the bottom of the mountain location, near Sycamore Tree, not so far from Jordan River, not so far from Zacchaeus' house. The Spirit's still here. Before lunch, I'm sorry, before lunch we have a tradition here. Here, in our happy occasions, we play music. A little bit loud music. But this music we play it, as I told you, in our happy occasion. For example, we see people we love, we didn't see for a long time, we play this music. When we enter the groom and the bride for the wedding party, we play this music. Sometimes in birthdays, we play this music. I would love to play it for you. Are you ready for some noise before lunch?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our chef here, Anna, she cooked it for you. Because of that, here our philosophy in food, to serve people the food that we serve at home. We will serve it to you the way that we serve it at home. Are you ready, chef? Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can we count to 3 with Anna?